Springs. It is one of the most popular destinations in Southern California, about 2 hours drive southeast of Los Angeles. Although it is a small city, but it has a lot to offer. It is a mid-century modern architecture which bleeds over into the design and vibe of the city.
What's up, you guys? Another day in Palm Springs. Kyle is here and Kyle is driving. Where we're heading, Kyle?
Chickies!
Yes, we're going to grab our breakfast at Chickies, and then after that we're going to do celebrity spotting houses with Frank Sinatra, Marilyn Monroe. They said Elvis Presley also lives here, Barry Manilow. So after that we're going to have an aerial tramway. We'll bring you along. Bye.
If you're going to Palm Springs, don't forget to visit the Aerial Tramway. It is one of the famous tourist destinations and known as the world's largest rotating tram car. It is a 10-minute tram ride over 8,500 feet in elevation. You will soar above the desert wilderness to the beautiful landscape of Mount San Jacinto State Park, giving you one of the most amazing scenic vistas. Once you get into the tram car, as it slowly goes up in the mountain, the tram will also slowly rotate, giving you a full panoramic view of the entire Palm Springs. Wow, amazing, isn't it? That's why this is known as the world's largest rotating tram car. We're here on top of the aerial tram.
No.
What can you say, Evo? It's so high, huh?
And we're on the top, and he has a fear of heights, but he did it. He survived. He survived, my boy. Good job, Nathan.
They said this is 8,500 feet from the ground floor up here on top of the mountain. It's beautiful in here. I'll show it to you guys. Say hi. Bye.
Bye, friends. Bye, friends.
fun with the bowling.